विद्यार्थी मित्र मैत्रिणींनो, सन 2020-21 या शैक्षणिक वर्षामध्ये इयत्ता 10वी तुमचं प्रशालेच्या वतीनं हार्दिक स्वागत. तर आज आपण आपल्या जॉमेट्री या विषयाच्या पहिल्या प्रकरणाला सुरुवात करणार आहोत. पहिलं प्रकरण आहे आपलं सिमिलॅरिटी. जॉमेट्रीमध्ये सिमिलॅरिटी हे प्रकरण जे आहे ते 12 मार्कांसाठी आहे. याच्यातला पहिला पॉइंट, फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ this chapter is ratio of areas of two triangles. So what will be the ratio of areas of two triangle? Here triangle ABC and triangle PQR are both triangles. In triangle ABC, BC is base and AD is its height. And in triangle PQR, QR is base and PS is height. Perpendicular segment is called as height. You know about the area of triangle. Area of triangle equal to half base into height. Therefore, triangle ABC equal to half ABC. Base of ABC is BC. Therefore, half into BC into AD. AD is its height. Area of triangle PQR equal to half QR into PS. If we take the ratio of these two triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, रेशो म्हणजे गुणोत्तर, इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू BC इंटू AD अपॉन हाफ इंटू QR इंटू PS. हाफ हाफ will be cancelled. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. If area of triangle ABC is A1, its height is B1, base is B1 and height is H1. Area of triangle PQR is A2, its base is B2 and height is H2. Then the ratio will be A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. It means the ratio of areas of two triangles equal to ratio of product means gunakar, product of bases and corresponding heights. This is the first rule. मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणतो की दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचं गुणोत्तर हे त्यांच्या संगत पाया आणि उंची यांच्या गुणाकाराच्या गुणोत्तरा इतके असते. देर आर टू कंडिशन्स. फर्स्ट, when height is equal or height is common, and second one is when base is common. So what will be the area? Let us see. Here triangle ABC, AD is its height, another triangle is ACE. So see here, in these triangles there are triangle ABC, second one triangle ABE, another triangle ACE. So what will be the ratio of any two triangle from these three triangles? Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Let us consider triangle ABC and triangle ACE. So the ratio of triangle ABC and triangle ACE equal to, according to first property, ratio of areas of two triangles equal to ratio of their bases and corresponding height. Therefore, in triangle ABC, BC is base and AD is height. And in triangle ACE, CE is base and height is common, it means AD. See here, AD टू ट्रायंगल्स हॅव लिनियर बेस. यांचा जो पाया आहे तो रेषीय आहे. अँड ए वर्टेक्स इज कॉमन. Therefore, vertex with triangles with common vertex and linear base have equal heights. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle ACE have equal or common height, that is AD. AD will be cancelled. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ACE equal to BC upon CE. See here, when two triangles have equal height, then what is the ratio of their areas? The ratio of their areas equal to corresponding the ratio of their bases. In Marathi, दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचं गुणोत्तर हे त्यांच्या संगत पायांच्या गुणाकाराच्या गुणोत्तरा इतकं असतं. केव्हा? जेव्हा त्यांची उंची समान असते किंवा उंची सामायिक असते तेव्हा. If A1 is the area of triangle ABC and A2 is the area of triangle ACE, then ratio will be B1 upon B2, where H1 equal to H2. This is second property or second condition. Now what will happen when base of two triangles are common? Let's see another figure. Here is triangle ABC and BCD. AE is height of triangle ABC and DF is height of triangle BCD. See here, both the triangle have common base. BC is the common base. So the ratio of these two triangles having common base or equal base, what will be? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD equal to area of triangle ABC equal to BC into AE, and area of triangle BCD equal to BC into DF. See, BC is cancelled as it is common base. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD equal to AE upon DF. What is AE and DF? AE and DF are the heights of these two triangles. It means when base or bases of the two triangles are equal, then ratio of their areas equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. If A1 is the area of triangle ABC and A2 is the area of triangle BCD, it will be equal to H1 upon H2. Means area of two triangle having equal base equal to area of ratio of their corresponding heights. In Marathi, दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचं गुणोत्तर हे त्यांच्या संगत उंचीच्या गुणोत्तरा इतकं असतं जेव्हा त्यांचे पाये समान असतात तेव्हा. आता विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जेव्हा उंची ही समान आहे आणि पाया ही समान आहे अशा वेळेला ह्या त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचं गुणोत्तर हे काय येईल? बघूया आपण पुढची फिगर. See here. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of side BC. What is here? D is the midpoint of side BC. It means segment AD is the median. What is given? Segment AD is median. That is BD equal to DC. AE perpendicular to BC. It means segment AE is height for both the triangle ABD as well as triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC. What will be the ratio? Corresponding base into height. Corresponding base is BD and height is AE upon DC and height is AE. But BD equal to DC as D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, area of triangle ABD equal to area of triangle ADC equal to 1 upon 1. Why 1 upon 1? AE will be cancelled and BD equal to DC. Therefore, BD and DC are also cancelled. It means if height and base of the two triangles are same, then the ratio of their areas is 1:1. That is, these two triangles are equal in area. It means area of triangle ABD equal to area of triangle ADC. See here. म्हणजे दोन त्रिकोणांचा पाया आणि उंची समान किंवा सामायिक असेल अशा त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचं गुणोत्तर हे एकास एक असतं. आणि जेव्हा त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचं गुणोत्तर एकास एक असतं त्यावेळेला ते दोन्ही त्रिकोण समक्षेत्र असतात किंवा त्या दोन्ही त्रिकोणांची क्षेत्रफळ समान असतात. इन शॉर्ट, हियर वी विल सी 4 properties or 4 conditions. What are these? First, A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Second one, A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 when it is possible H1 equal to H2. Third one is A1 upon A2 equal to H1 upon H2. This is possible when B1 equal to B2. And fourth one, A1 upon A2 equal to 1 upon 1 when B1 equal to B2 and H1 equal to H2. These are the 4 properties. In board exam, there is a question for 2 marks on these properties. Now we will see the example from our practice set 1.1 example number 1. Let's see these 4 properties again. A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. It means ratio of areas of two triangles equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Second, A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 when H1 equal to H2. It means ratio of two triangles having equal height is equal to ratio of their bases. Third one, A1 upon A2 equal to H1 upon H2 when bases are equal is equal to ratio of the two triangles equal to ratio of their corresponding height. And fourth one is A1 upon A2 equal to 1:1 means when the two triangles are equal in area. When their ratio is 1:1, B1 equal to B2, H1 equal to H2. Means two triangles, ratio of two triangles is 1:1 when their bases and heights are equal in lengths. Now example 1 from our practice set 1.1. What is it? Base and height of two triangles are given and we will to find out their ratio. Let's see example. Base of triangle, one triangle is 9 and its height is 5. Base of one triangle. Let A1 is the area of first triangle. Its base is B1 and height is H1. Another triangle, let its area be A2. Its base is B2 and height is H2. So what is given in the example? B1 equal to 9, H1 equal to 5. Another triangle, base of another triangle is 10 and its height is 6. Base of another triangle means B2 equal to 10 and height H2 equal to 6. So as per our property, first A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equal to, what is the value of B1? It is 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6. By simplification, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3 and 2 twos are 4. Therefore, A1 is to A2 equal to ratio 3 is to 4. Like this, examples are asked in the board exam for 2 marks. In our practice set 1.1, there are 5 examples. You have to solve it. And another assignment. This is the assignment for you. You have to listen this video carefully and solve the assignments. First of all, activity which are given on page number 3. On page number 3, there are 3 activities are given. You have to solve it. And solved examples are given. And on these solved examples, papers practice set 1.1. The examples are based on solved example. You have to solve it. So what is homework? First of all, you have to do activity. Second one, solved example. And third one, practice set 1.1. Question number 2 to 5. One is solved here. And the questions which are asked in previous exams, you have to solve it.